how to find Little Caesars FAQ page and find answers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to find the frequently asked questions on Little Caesars website? Then let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then head over to Little Caesars website. Then you need to scroll down to the bottom. There you can see frequently asked questions under Connect with Us. Just tap on it and then it will load up new page and you can see all of the frequently asked questions that is divided into categories like ordering, our restaurants, nutrition and menu. So if you find the question, you just need to tap on it and then you can see the answers. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.